We've all experienced it. Late night cravings and last minute meals can lead us to a drive-thru for fast food favorites or raiding the pantry for a convenient snack. Our bodies can adapt to the occasional indulgence, but forming a lifestyle around these habits can have seriously damaging effects on your metabolic health. Our diet can either help or hinder the process of repairing tissues, fighting infections, producing hormones, and stimulating bone and muscle growth. Here are 5 food categories that you should assess when looking to optimize your metabolic health. Number 1, sugar in all its forms. Whether it's a large mango at breakfast or a post-dinner ice cream cone, sugar can add a sweet surprise to any meal. But there's a good reason experts advocate regulating sugar in the same way we regulate alcohol. Foods high in sugar and carbohydrates, especially in the absence of fiber, protein, and fat, tend to cause spikes in blood sugar and trigger insulin responses that can be damaging over the long term when eaten frequently. And it's been shown that a diet high in sugar, especially added sugars, can lead to health problems such as obesity, prediabetes, type 2 diabetes, and heart disease. It's wise to limit your consumption of sugar in general, but avoiding added sugars as much as possible is one way to limit overall intake. Number 2, wheat flours. Wheat flours are another form of easily digestible carbohydrates. Unlike whole grains, wheat flours are ground up to remove the germ and bran. This process cuts down the hefty amounts of fiber, fat, and other nutrients that occur naturally in whole grains. Wheat flours may taste great in the forms of breads, cakes, and pastries, but they all have a high glycemic index, or GI. According to a 2021 systematic review, diets packed with high GI foods increase the risk of metabolic syndrome. A great way to mitigate this risk is to cut back on packaged snacks and bread products with wheat flour as a main ingredient. Number 3, ultra-processed foods. Research shows that more than 70% of foods sold in the grocery stores in the US are ultra-processed. This means that many of your favorite frozen meals, processed meats, processed snacks, and cereals are full of fat, sugar, sodium, and other additives and preservatives. As a result, this extends the shelf life of the products while decreasing the shelf life of those consuming them. People who eat fewer processed foods tend to have healthier gut microbiomes and are more metabolically fit. Seek out foods in their natural form or foods that are minimally processed, such as frozen fruits or vegetables and canned beans. Number 4, vegetable oils and refined seed oils. Many refined vegetable and seed oils are high in omega-6 fats, which are linked to poor metabolic health when consumed often. But the omega-6 fatty acid that really concerns the experts is linoleic acid. Linoleic acid used to be considered essential for health, but recent research has shown that a diet high in linoleic acid stimulates appetite, increases inflammation, and elevates the risk of cardiovascular disease. A few of the many oils containing more than 20% linoleic acid include canola oil, peanut oil, and corn oil. Forego these products in favor of foods with avocado, olive, or coconut oils in their ingredient list. And use small amounts of these oils as well as animal fats like butter and ghee when cooking. Number 5, fast food. Fast food is designed to satiate our most intense cravings as quickly as possible. Unfortunately, to accomplish this, these foods are loaded with refined flours, fats, salts, and sugars, which make them addictive. A 2015 research review directly implicated frequent fast food consumption with abdominal fat gain, impaired insulin function, and systemic inflammation, which are key markers for metabolic disease. If you're on the go and have no other option than fast food, seek out places that provide detailed nutrition facts online and offer customizable, healthful options. Diverse whole foods are key to facilitating the metabolic processes our bodies need to function. Being intentional about avoiding foods that belong in either of these 5 areas is a surefire way to get the most out of a nutrient-rich diet. which will keep you on track on your journey of obtaining optimal metabolic health. Thanks for watching.